Pittsburgh gutter installation should be simple and solid. At MY Pittsburgh, we say good gutters, dry basement. Quick joke, true story. Rated A+ by the BBB and loved by hundreds of locals, we custom form seamless aluminum on-site for perfect fit. Lifetime coverage keeps future repairs off your list. Free estimates today. Your foundation will thank you. Clogged or leaky gutters can cause serious damage to your home. Think foundation issues, mold, and ruined landscaping? It's a common headache for Pittsburgh property owners, especially with our unpredictable weather. At MY Pittsburgh Roofing, we tackle gutter problems heads-on. Our process starts with a thorough inspection to identify any issues. We then remove old and damaged gutters and install high-quality seamless systems designed to handle Pittsburgh heavy rains. Our certified teams ensures everything is properly aligned and securely attached, often completing the job within a day. But don't take our word for it. Our numerous 5-star reviews highlight our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. We offer strong warranties on our work, so you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Plus, we offer free estimates and flexible financing option to fit your budget. Ready to protect your home with reliable gutter installation? Reach out now to schedule your free consultation and see why Pittsburgh trusts us with their gutters needs.